Currently, soft drinks like Coke, Monster Energy, and Gatorade, as well as candy, are considered groceries and therefore not taxed in the state of Nebraska. Senator John McAllister wants the state to tax them at the 5.5% sales tax rate.
And I would contend that a low, broad sales tax is the best policy.
McAllister's estimate is the state would generate over $30 million of revenue. He wants to see that money go to the state's healthcare cash fund, which pays for a variety of health-related programs and is depleting. But he says he's open to changing it.
We can talk about where that money should go. $33 million, and that's a lot of money.
Opponents of the bill made a few arguments, but likely the most pertinent was that they believe small business owners would have a tough time differentiating at the cash register between the things that would be taxed in the bill and the things that still would not be taxed.
It requires manual entry. It requires clerks and store managers to make sure they're properly taxing certain things.
Ansley Fellers with the grocery industry says the bill would force store employees to read labels to see if it fits into the specific criteria of soft drink or candy. And if they read wrong, they may have to pay back taxes.
If a Kit Kat is taxed, but a Snickers isn't, or Twizzlers aren't taxed because they have enough flour, but raspberry sweet tea is, some of those things are a little confusing.
Brian Gilland with the beverage industry says margins are slim in his competitive business, and just a couple cents more for a Pepsi could hurt sales.
So when we get to price points at $1.99 or $3.99 or $5.99, anything that takes us over that price point impacts sales.
McAllister points to Iowa, who taxes both, as an example that it can be done with ease.
It's not an imposition for these retailers to, reduce or eliminate the exemption for these products. Not at all. They do it in Iowa, and for sure they can do it in Nebraska.
In Lincoln, John Kipper, 3 News Now.